Most supplements are marketing hype, but these five actually have evidence for speeding surgical recovery. Vitamin D, essential for bone healing and immune function. Most people are deficient, especially during the winter months when surgery recovery happens indoors. Vitamin C, required for collagen synthesis and wound healing, also helps out with nerve pain. Smokers and elderly patients often need supplementation. Deficiency is common in older adults and can significantly impact wound healing. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation and may speed tissue healing. Better absorbed from fish than supplements, but pills work if you don't eat fish. Protein powder, a convenient way to meet the increased protein needs during healing. Whey protein is easily absorbed and contains several essential amino acids. Want to optimize your supplement strategy for recovery? Follow me for evidence-based recommendations that actually help healing.